Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Today we are starting social study of class 8 and my name is Karishma. Muslim invasion in the subcontinent. मुसलमानों की जानिब से जो हमले हुए थे सब कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर, इस बारे में इस चैप्टर में हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। The first invasion of Muslim in the subcontinent took place in 711 AD. जो पहला हमला मुसलमानों की जानिब से सब कॉन्टिनेंट पे हुआ वो था 711 कब्ल मसीह। A ship was taking the Muslim women and children from Sri Lanka to Iraq. एक जहाज रानी जो गुजर रही थी श्रीलंका से इराक तक, जिसके अंदर मुसलमान औरत और बच्चे थे। While passing through the water of Sindh, they were attacked by pirates. Women and children were taken in prison. औरतों और बच्चों को जेलों में डाला गया। हजाज बिन यूसुफ, they were governor of Baghdad, asked the ruler of Sindh. हजाज बिन यूसुफ जो उस वक्त के बगदाद के गवर्नर थे, उन्होंने सिंध के रूलर को रिक्वेस्ट की, पूछा कि ये जो मसला है इसे हल किया जाए और हमारे जो बच्चे और औरतें हैं उन्हें आज़ाद किया जाए। But the ruler of Sindh took no such action. पर जो रूलर था सिंध का, उसने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया उस पर। हजाज बिन यूसुफ सेंड आर्मी टू सिंध। हजाज बिन यूसुफ ने सिंध पे एक आर्मी भेजी थ्रू बलोचिस्तान के जरिए। द कमांडर ऑफ दिस आर्मी वाज इमादुद्दीन मोहम्मद बिन कासिम, और उसके जो कमांडर थे आर्मी के, उसका नाम था इमादुद्दीन मोहम्मद बिन कासिम। He was born on 31st December 695 AD. He was only 16 when he was sent to conquer Sindh. ये सिर्फ 16 बरस के थे और इनको भेजा गया सिंध फतह करने के लिए। At the border of Sindh, he was joined by an advance guard and 6,000 camel riders. He fought with jets and captured the land on the west of the Indus River. Later, he crossed the Indus and fought the forces of Raja Dahir. उसके बाद थे गजनवी, उनका जो अरसा था वो था 999 to 1030 AD. सबुक्तगीन of Ghazni, he was first Muslim to enter the subcontinent through the Khyber Pass. ये पहले मुसलमान थे जो सब कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर आए खैबर पास के जरिए। After his death, his son Mahmud Ghazni took over the father position as a ruler in 977 AD. सबुक्तगीन के मरने के बाद उनके बेटे महमूद गजनवी ने उनकी पोजीशन ली और रूलर बने 1977 कब्ल मसीह में। His most famous expedition was the second of सोमनाथ। इनका जो फेमस एक जो बात थी वो था सोमनाथ के मंदिर को फतेह करना। सुल्तान महमूद गजनवी died in 1030 AD. Ghazvini dynasty was able to survive 150 years. Muhammad of Ghori, after a gap of 150 years in AD 1175, Muhammad of Ghor, a Turkish ruler of small kingdom in Afghanistan, attacked the Indian subcontinent. He was also called Muhammad Ghori. The invasion laid the foundation of the Turko-Afghan rule in India. Muhammad Ghori attacked the five Rajput, the Rathor of Kanwai, the Chauhans of Delhi and Ajmer, the Solankis of Gujarat, the Parmaras of Malwar, and the Chandales of Budlankar. Ghori, he was also succeeded in his campaign against heavily fortified territory of Kawala and Ajmer. He appointed Qutubuddin Aibak the governor of Lahore and Delhi. At the end of 1205, combined the forces of Muhammad Ghori and Qutubuddin Aibak defeated Hindu hawkers. Now, time of slave dynasty, first Delhi Sultanate 1280 to 1246 AD. After the death of Muhammad Ghori, Qutubuddin Aibak had support of others and become the ruler of land. Muhammad Ghori के मरने के बाद कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक को सपोर्ट मिली और वो उस लैंड के, उस ज़मीन के रूलर बने। गवर्नर ऑफ गजनी अपोज्ड हिम, उनकी मुखालिफत की गवर्नर ऑफ गजनी ने, और कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक की आर्मी को पे हमला किया और उनसे फतेह ली 1208 कब्ल मसीह में। कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक became the sultanate of the land with Delhi as his capital. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक सुल्तान बने और उसके साथ जो उनका कैपिटल था उनकी लैंड का वो था दिल्ली। कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक died as a result of falling of his polo pony. He was succeeded by his son-in-law Shamsuddin Iltutmish. He was challenged by other Ghori rulers. After defeating all of them, that Iltutmish became the Sultan of Delhi. Iltutmish was succeeded by his nominated successor, his daughter Razia Sultana, in 1236 AD. Almost all the provinces stood against her, but she fought them bravely, but she was murdered in 1240 AD. With that, we are completing our lecture, and this was the first lecture on the Muslim invasion on the subcontinent, part 1. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss more dynasties. Thank you.